can I get for it from the market? A drum, mother. I would love to have a drum to play with. The mother knew she would never have enough money to buy a new drum for her son. So when she saw a nice piece of wood on the road, she picked it up and brought to home. The son did not know what to do with a piece of wood. Yet he happily carried with him when he went down to play. A happy song sprang on his lips. He went along singing it. They asked for a drum and look what I got. A lovely piece of bread. I asked for a drum and look what I got. I think that's my luck. Tumty, tumty, tumty. As the boy went skipping along on his way, he came across an old man. The old man was trying without success to light us up using some golden cakes. There was smoke all around, making him cough. The little boy ran up to him. What is matter, Grandpa? Can I help you in any way? Really, Talwan, I am trying to cook some food, but I am unable to start a fire. For you see, my fire will never just not start. Can somebody stop this fire? My eyes are red. My arms are tired. I need to cook. I need some food. My for a dry piece of wood. Here, Grandpa, you can use my piece of wood to start a fire. The old man was very pleased. Please, he lit his fire and made some burger. Gave a piece to the boy. The boy went along singing his song. La 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 la. My piece of food got me some food. A lovely piece of burger. My piece of wood is not enough, but got me some food. A lovely piece of burger. La la la. The boy walked on. He met a potter's wife with a wailing baby in her arms. Dear lady, why is your baby crying? My little one is not had anything to eat since morning. There is nothing in the house to give her. I wish I had some burger to give her. Kind-hearted boy gave a lady his burger. She gave it to the child who ate it eagerly and stopped crying. The woman was very pleased with the boy and gave a large pot. The boy went along humming his funny song. I gave my burger away and look what I got. I gave my burger away and I got a lovely boat. Come, Titi, come. Little boy was skipped along until he came upon a strange scene at a river bank. A washerman was quarreling with his wife. Dear sir, why are you quarreling with your wife? You see, sir, it was like this. I gave her a pot. And I gave her a pot. It cost a lot. She went and broke it too. She broke the pot, the last of my lot, and now I feel so sore. I gave her the pot. The pot she broke. The pot I need to boil my clothes. Without the pot, my clothes will rot. How they will remain soiled. So you see, I have nothing to boil my clothes in before I wash them, and because of her, my trend will suffer. washerman was pleased. He gave a boy a nice coat. In return, the boy ran along singing his song.
Yes, sir. One parent has a spot of music too. As I walked along with my heart in hand, I met a walking man who gave me yes, sir.
Walked on all the while admiring his grand coat. He came to the bridge. There he saw a man without shirt and shivering in cold. He seemed to be hurt. He seemed to be hurt. And mourning in pain. The boy ran up to man.
You seem to be bleeding. You seem to be hurt. How would such a sorry statement?
I am riding my horse in a hurry. I am riding my horse to the tea. A crowd of thieves, they came and got me. They got me down, they got me out. They took my purse, got all my money. I tried to put up a good fight, but they beat me up, they beat me bad. I tried to put up they left in pain, they left in hearts. They took it all, got all my money.
Your need is greater than love. Please take this coat of mine. It will keep you warm. It's a
Coleman was touched the boy lad's kindness. He thanked and presented a big fine horse. Big fine horse. He riding the horse. The boy was very happy. The boy was very happy and led the horse to the uh, and led the horse along singing his song.
so often needed. People looking for things and I have what they need. A man needs a shirt, but all he has big fine horse. I gave him a coat. What did I get? His big fine horse, of course.
As he was walking along with his horse, the boy came upon a large party of gaily dressed people. They were part of a big wedding party with the bridegroom and musicians. They seemed ready to be part of a wedding procession, but all of them were sitting under a tree with long faces. The boy stopped and asked them what had upset them so much.
Please listen, it is like this. We are set to go in the wedding procession, but we need to ask for the groom. The man who was supposed to bring us not turned up the auspicious hours for gone.
And the groom himself stepped up to the boy. I am a groom waiting to see my bride, but I am stuck in here, just hoping for a ride. Just cannot go there on my feet. My horse is late, and so is the hour. My guests all are waiting to eat. I'll missing my wedding for sure. So you see what I need a horse. I need a horse, really quick horse. The groom requested the drummer to hand over his drum to the boy, knowing he would easily get enough money to buy himself a new drum. The drummer willingly gave his drum away. The boy rushed home singing his song and playing his new drum. He could not wait to tell his mother how she had helped him get his drum.
A piece of wood did a lot of good. It got me a burger as food. My burger lasted not, but got me some, but got me a lovely pot. My pot got me a lovely pot. My coat helped a needy man. But I got a horse to ride. With the horse, I met a groom and his bride. You see, it is simple indeed. A little bit of give and take, a, make a lot of people make a happy make.